This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready: Ncert book, a clean notebook, and a highlighter. First, skim chapter headings and diagrams to build a mental map. This orients you to key ideas before details. Next, read the learning objectives so you know what you must explain later. Start your first study block for 25-40 minutes. Use a timer. Once done, write one sentence summarizing the chapter goal. This initial setup saves time and reduces vague reading. You now move into focused reading. Read each paragraph slowly and turn facts into short questions you can answer. This forces retrieval. Make active notes. Write concise explanations, draw labeled diagrams, and annotate real examples in the margin so concepts anchor visually. After a section, close the book and answer your questions aloud. This highlights gaps. Create 5-10 spaced repetition cards for the toughest concepts and schedule reviews. Make sure to interleave related topics to deepen understanding. Finish by practicing and consolidating. Solve all Ncert end-of-chapter questions, then compare your answers to model reasoning. This trains exam-style thinking. Summarize the chapter in 6 to 8 bullets in your notebook so you can review quickly later. Review spaced repetition cards across days to lock memory. If you get stuck, pinpoint the exact sentence, diagram, or term that confuses you, then reread that small bit and redraw the diagram. If confusion persists, ask a teacher or peer for a targeted explanation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.